Hello, everyone. On today's IRS Tax Refund update, we'll check in on the latest with those tax processing delays, including the next batch of tax refunds currently being prepared for release. Meanwhile, as the delays continue on, we're going to recap several reasons why some of our viewers continue to experience delays and some of the steps you may want to take to ensure you're not part of those impacted groups, as well as being able to access those tax transcripts. For those of you waiting on those tax refunds and received confirmation you're part of the next refund batch, the next round of paper refund checks are scheduled to be released on November 18th, while the next round of direct deposit refunds will be transmitted by the IRS to bank accounts on Wednesday, November 23rd. Now, we continue to get reports that the refund status tracker on the IRS website is still not providing the most up to date information, and that even our viewers who have since received their tax refunds are still indicating the website is showing their tax return is still being processed, which is clearly not the case. So make sure to check those tax transcripts, and we'll provide step by step instructions on how to access your transcripts later on. Now, taking a look at some of the reasons why millions are still experiencing delays, it often starts with how they file their taxes. The biggest group in terms of total numbers impacted by those delays have been those tax paper filers. Now, we've covered extensively the issues paper filers have experienced all year, and it's a direct result of staffing issues, technology, funding, and errors, including the IRS having only 3 remaining processing centers left in the country. Now, for those e-filers, it comes also down to several reasons, including completing ID verification. Now, we've been hearing this all year long, and taxpayers, viewers of our channel, who have been waiting months only to realize that this was the issue holding up their refund. And it was only after they spoke to the IRS, if they were lucky enough, or the Taxpayer Advocate Service, were they even made aware of the issue. Another top reason why some of our viewers are continuing to experience delays is that the IRS is still needing to process their employer's wage information. If you're part of this impacted group, you probably by now have received one of the IRS's 60-day notices like you see here. Now, this is needed because the IRS must verify the wages you entered on your tax return versus what your employer is submitting to the IRS. Now, child tax credits have been one of the biggest issues this year, causing delays. It was reported earlier this year that the IRS indicated over 12 million tax returns contained errors, many claiming CTC. So it's taking resources away from other tax returns while the IRS processes and corrects those returns. Advanced child tax credit payments had been the primary issue related to CTC. Earlier this year, taxpayers received letter 6419 in the mail, as seen here, but it was later determined the IRS sent out notices with the wrong amount of advanced CTC payments listed, and that was after many taxpayers had already submitted their tax returns, which in part caused math errors on the tax returns requiring a manual adjustment by the IRS. Now, to access those tax transcripts, you will want to log into the irs.gov website and click Sign into your account as seen here. On the Your Online Account page, click on the blue button that says Sign into your online account as seen here. At this point, log in using your existing credentials. If you've not created an account on the IRS website, you will want to do so by clicking on the ID.me Create an Account button as seen here. Once you create an account and log in, this will be your home page. From there, click on the View Tax Records on the right-hand side of the screen as seen here. On the Tax Records page, click on the blue Get Transcript button. On this page, click the scroll down button and click Federal Tax on the reason you need a transcript and click the Go button. On the Get Transcript page, simply click on the tax here under Record of Account Transcript, and the most up-to-date transcript will be uploaded. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issue, including when and how you filed. Thank you to everyone who has posted comments in the comment section below. We've been doing our best to keep up with those comments due to the sheer volume of them coming in. It's taken us some time to respond. In the meantime, we'll keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.